Welcome back to my kitchen, cowboys, neighbors, friends. It's been a while since I've made a cooking video, and the kitchen's been refreshed, so it's a little bit of a different scenery for you folks. Today, I'm going to make some brown muffins, and I'll meet you at the kitchen bench, and I'll show you how quick and easy they are, and they are really good. So stick around, I'll show you how to make brown muffins. Hey folks, thanks for meeting me here at the kitchen bench, and brown muffin time. And I'll tell you, the best recipe I've ever found for them is just on the back of a package of bran from Rogers. Good Canadian product, and the recipe's really good. So, preheating the oven to 375. It's about hot enough right now. Then the next thing I did, I boiled the kettle, and I put about a half cup of raisins in a little bit of boiling water to plump them up. Set those aside. I greased the muffin tin. I prefer not to use the paper liners. I like the crust on the outside of a muffin. So that is ready. Excuse me. Then a cup and a half of bran in my batter bowl with 1 cup of buttermilk, or in my case soured milk. That's been sitting. Set that aside. This bowl has 1 cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder whisked together, and about ready to start assembling. So this has been sitting for, they say 5 minutes. Just soak the bran until you get other things done. Into this mix, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of oil, and hold that thought for 1 sec. It's been a while since I've made a video. I forgot to grab one of the ingredients, brown sugar. So I need 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. You can add less if you want, but I do like the flavor of 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar that this recipe calls for. Well, sounds like the brown sugar's starting to harden up. Oh well. I have a one of those clay sugar softeners I can drop in there, but I'll chisel out enough for this. And this is supposed to be an airtight container, so that's almost 2/3. That'll work just fine. Just let me break that up a little bit. And the next thing I'm going to add is 1 egg beaten up with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to add that now. I have it here. So I've added the milk, the oil, the sugar, the egg, the vanilla, and I'm going to stir this well and make sure that there's no lumps of brown sugar left. The next thing I'm going to add is the raisins, and they've soaked up. I just put a little bit, just to almost cover them. I'm going to add that bit of moisture along with the raisins and stir that up. And looking forward to some fresh brown muffins. Now the next thing, I'm just going to add the flour and baking powder, baking soda. Going to add that in one fell swoop, and just quickly work that together. You don't want to overwork a muffin mix, or you're going to wind up with tunnels, and they won't rise as much. So my hands are clean, don't mind me wiping the spoon with my finger. Okay, this is all mixed together. I don't see any white. And you work fairly quickly at this point because the baking powder and baking soda are reacting to the liquid. So we're just gonna fill this, kind of like keeping them pinned down. Oh, I am out of practice making a video, I tell you. But okay, and that's it, folks. That is it. Other than a few dirty dishes, Muffins are easy to get into the oven. There you go. And into a 375 oven. And 375 for about 15 minutes. I'll let you know when they're done and let you have a look. It's been 15 minutes. The timer went off. I'm going to pull these muffins out. They are done. And I think they're just fine. And take them out of the pan and let you see the results. Hey folks, I did decide a couple more minutes in the oven to give them better color. They are done, they are warm, they smell great. I'll split and butter and put some cheese on some and show you what they're like, but easy peasy and yeah, tasty indeed. Hey folks, my favorite way to have a fresh brown muffin. Split them, put some medium cheddar on, and they are tasty. And one of the benefits of not using those paper cups, they get a nice crust around the side, crispy, tasty indeed. I hope you pick up a bag of Bran, give these a try, and on another note, I'm setting up a YouTube channel, Derek Cooks. This could be one of the first videos that winds up there. So I hope you join me there as well. Follow along, and welcome to Derek's Cooking. Have a good day.